Hello and welcome. Today I'm at Bray Lake near Bray. I'm going to take a short walk around the lake. It's Bray Lake Watersports Centre. I just went inside and asked about the parking. If you park, it's free to park. Yeah, on the other side of the lake is the Thames Hospice. A bit disappointed with the weather today. For the time of year, it's very dull and overcast. Behind the lake is a nature reserve. I notice there's another lake here. Oh, here's a bridge. This is Bray Lake. There's a nature reserve. Oh, some cormorants. Restaurant. The sun was trying to come out, it's gone again. Yeah, me sitting down on a log, looking over the lake. I just went by. That's the Thames Hospice. That's quite a new building. They only built it recent, a few years ago. I remember when they used to be building this place. Yeah, it was opened by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. I believe it was one of her last engagements. And there's Thames Hospice, right on the banks of the lake. Yeah, it's the first time I've walked all the way around the lake. I've been here before, but I didn't walk around the lake because I thought it was private. But I asked in the reception in the water sports place, and they told me I was allowed to. So quite a pleasant walk around the lake. Apart from you can't access it in certain places because it belongs to the Angling Association. That's the only thing about it. There's some nice houses backing onto the lake. So that's it, I've walked full circle. I'm back at the start.